Hello, my dear friends, and we'll go over some of the things that we talked about and we reviewed. Let's go to QuickBooks. Okay, once we're in QuickBooks, as you can see last time, what did we do last time? We practiced a lot of different things, but one of the most important things that we practiced was adding a client. And what does that mean when you add a client? It's like adding a business, right? Because again, remember, we have the professional version of QuickBooks right now, and which is meant for bookkeepers and accountants. And if you can see here, we have 3 clients here because during class we practiced deleting some of the clients, or better yet to say, we made them inactive. The way we would go and delete a client or make the client inactive, let's just say A and KP account, right? We're going to go all the way to the right side here. If you can see my mouse, where it says edit client, we're going to left click on this triangle. And once it opens up, you have 2 options. You can create a tax return for this client, or you can make them inactive. So we're going to click on make inactive. Then it's going to ask us, are you sure you want to make A and KP Accounting LLC inactive? We're going to say yes. And what happens here, you could see A&K Accounting actually disappears from our screen. So we just made the client inactive. So why would this happen? Say you are working with a client and then the client no longer needs your services. So that's the reason why you would make a client inactive.